So it's 2025 and things may not be going as expected with your current crypto portfolio. I mean, if it's anywhere close to the beginning of 2025, you saw Bitcoin run or at least holding its price while most altcoins got devastated. And look, I've been telling you to take profits from altcoins into Bitcoin in December, months before December even got here, okay? Because I was telling you we're expecting a dump before Trump, and if the dump wasn't deep enough, which it wasn't, we would get the dump when he takes office, and that's what happened. So if you took profits into Bitcoin from altcoins like I was telling you to, you should be okay. Yes, Bitcoin went down, altcoins went down even lower, but in most part, you should be okay. But the question is, what about now in 2025? Should I get into alts? What alts should I get into? Are we gonna have an alt season? That's what we're gonna be talking about in this video. I'm gonna show you a 2025 crypto portfolio so you can make profits, and we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Britta Fans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Britta Fans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about your 2025 crypto portfolio. What should it look like so you can make most profits but also protect yourself now that you've seen, hopefully, that I was right. And look, if you are new here, you will know exactly what I mean by I was right while we're building your 2025 crypto portfolio.
The money in your account, it didn't do too well, it's gone.
So let's not waste any time, let's just get into it here. All right, so the first we're gonna do is we're gonna split your portfolio for maximum strategy. Let me explain what I mean. Let's say you have $10,000 you want to invest in crypto right now. This number can be 20,000, 30,000, 5,000, doesn't matter. Let's say you have $10,000. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put $5,000 of that into Bitcoin, and you're gonna hear me out why in just 1 second, and another $5,000 into your altcoins. Remember, this could be 10 and 10, this could be 20 and 20, it has to be half of your total amount over here. Now you might say, Paul, why should I put 5,000 in Bitcoin? This can more than likely only 2x. If that, why should I put 5,000 in Bitcoin over here? And why not put everything into altcoins over here? And it's very simple. Bitcoin is powerful because it will only 2x, but it's less volatile than altcoins. Plus, it's got sound hard money principles. It's a hedge on the economy. You have all these ETFs coming in like I've been telling you to, but the most important thing is this. It protects your portfolio. Let me explain exactly what I mean, and you will see. If you put $5,000 in altcoins over here and these go to zero, what will happen is that this 5,000 over here in Bitcoin will more than likely at least go to 10,000, which is a 2x, meaning you get your money back. It's a guarantee. Even if Bitcoin does not 2x, even if you go into the bear market and you miss the move, more than likely Bitcoin next time will do a lot more, go past all-time highs and give you your money back at the very least, and then some. If not, then this will happen. Let's say your portfolio, your altcoin portfolio goes up to 15,000 or 20,000 and Bitcoin only goes up 5,000. Or 10,000. Yes, you're making less profits here, but it's safer. It's not just about the profits you get, it's the sustainability. And not only that, look what happened. Look what happened just not too long ago. Your altcoins went to shit, but your Bitcoin kept its price. So if you listen to me taking profits into Bitcoin in December and early January, you'd be protected right now. You'd be very happy right now, and you could buy the dip with Bitcoin. In other words, if you have Bitcoin right now, you could be buying altcoins that have dipped with your Bitcoin. So now you're amplifying. Does that make sense? That's the strategy of Bitcoin. That's the importance of Bitcoin. Plus, if things go to shit, you at least have Bitcoin.
Don't you know that a man being rich is like a girl being pretty?
That's why we hold Bitcoin, and I hope now it's apparent because people didn't understand what I was telling them in the comment section.
Oh my God, what are you doing? You're only gonna make like a little, you're gonna be doing a bit.
And look what happened.
What do you mean? I have $100.
Not anymore, you don't. Poof.
That's my point, okay? By the way, real quick, do me a favor and like this video. Please like this video if you're getting value, but also if you watch my videos and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe down below and hit that bell notification button. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 100K subscribers. It's a goal I have for 2025. Please help me complete that goal. I would really appreciate it. With that said, let's get back to the video. Let's go back over here and talk about your crypto portfolio. So you have $5,000 in Bitcoin and you have $5,000 in altcoins. And what you want to do, you want to split this 5,000 in 3 narratives, so to speak. Your layer ones or your blue chip coins, we'll talk about them in just 1 second. Your mid cap coins, and then you have a risk portfolio. And this can be split in 2, whatever. We'll talk about this in just 1 second. Now, your blue chips for your altcoins, number 1, you have Solana. Why Solana? Well, it's very simple. Solana has been showing a tremendous strength. It's where most projects are being built right now. We even called the mini alt seasons last year by charting Solana Bitcoin, not Ethereum Bitcoin or Big 3 Bitcoin. That's why we got to call all the altcoin seasons, the mini altcoin seasons that we did. And Solana is where all the action is right now, at least most of the action. There's a lot of backing and so on. We called it $2, the previous bull market. We call it $8.5 this bull market, and it's going to go up a lot more. It's a blue chip, so to speak. Even a lot of AI coins, AI agents, and meme coins are being built on Solana, okay? So Solana, it's also US based, by the way, and I will explain what that is in a second and why I'm mentioning it. You have your SUI, or SUI, and I view SUI as the next coin to make Solana type moves and take market share from Solana. I've been talking about this for quite a while now. Now, I'm not saying that Solana will go down and SUI will go up. I'm just saying that SUI will take market share that will both go up, and a lot of projects will be moving onto SUI. They also have similar technical analysis, just like Solana. I don't want to get into that in that video, but we want to be holding both of them. SUI, of course, is also US based. So for example, you have $1,000 or $2,000, depending on what you want, into SUI and Solana. Then you want to go with some AI plays. AI is going to continue being the narrative for this bull market, in my opinion. And for that, let's say we're going to get into Render, which I consider a blue chip, by the way, also US based, and also Deepin. So you're tackling AI and Deepin with Render. And then you want to get into something like AI Oz, and this is not Render. It's a bit of a competitor, so to speak, but this one should also do extremely well. I mean, it showed strength on the chart and so on. So let's say you have another $1,000 or $2,000 in that. We have $3,000 left. Then you want to get into AI agents. Now, when it comes to AI agents, you saw they can actually give massive amounts of profits, but also they can go devastatingly down low. Now, let me explain something about AI agents in particular. This also applies for AI, but this is especially for AI agents. Blockchain is not ready for AI agents. I was talking about this a year ago. I was talking about this not too long ago. I was talking about them they're becoming a bubble and will pop, and they did. I was talking about all of that. But understand, I'm bullish on AI and AI agents. In the last bull market, I was saying it's the narrative for this bull market that we are currently in. I called it in the last bull market for this one. That's how early I called it. I made multiple videos since then. But I also said it's going to be mostly hype. We're not ready yet. Just like we're not ready for Deepin and RWA, but they will run on hype. The actual utility, the actual use will come in the next bull market. We'll talk about that a bit later. But AI agents, you want to get into them, but right now you want to get into, I can't really call them blue chip AI agents, but the top AI agents, or the fundamental. Look, let me explain what I mean. For example, you have AI agents on Base. Now, Base network in itself is a narrative. AI agents is a narrative, and US is a narrative. So you have these 3 narratives. By the way, if you haven't noticed so far, we are concentrating on a few narratives when it comes to building this portfolio. One is US narrative, the other one is AI agents, and we also have a new chain here by Coinbase, which I think is going to do very well. So what do you do here? Well, you get into something like Virtual's protocol, and you want to get into Virtuals, the core coin of that protocol. Why? Because virtuals is your blue chip of AI agents. You saw a lot of AI agents went to shit, virtuals also went down, but you need virtuals in order to get into these AI agents. This will also go from base to Solana pretty soon, so you have a few things going for you there. So if that makes sense, you want to get into virtuals. Just like for Sui, you would get into Su AI, which is Sui AI. This is the base token, not the base network, but the base token of AI agents on Sui. So you have a few narratives here. You have Sui, you have US based, and you have a new chain that's coming. So basically, we're strategizing your portfolio here. So let's say you get into another $1,000 in here and here, for example. So you have Solana, Sui, Render, AI, Oz, Virtuals, and Su AI, and you might want to get into something like Colin for Solana, and maybe Top Hat, which is the tech behind all this stuff, right? So you have a higher risk coin, and you have Top Hat, maybe another 1,000 here, and you have $4,000 portfolio right here with $1,000 left, so we can play around with. So let's just draw a line over here, and we have $1,000 left. Does that make sense? So what I'm doing is I'm mixing blue chip plays over here with my portfolio, but my risk plays are also based on narratives and trend stacking. What is trend stacking? When you have one trend, you have a secondary trend, you add an innovation on top of that, that's called trend stacking. Instagram is a product of trend stacking, Facebook is a product of trend stacking. That's what we're doing here. We're combining US-based coins with, let's say, the blockchain, with a particular blockchain like Base, for example, plus AI, which is also a narrative. So we're stacking elements together to give us more chances of success, so to speak. And then this extra $1,000, you can split it into smaller amounts, let's say $250 or even $200, which should give you 4 or 5 plays for some bigger moves, so to speak. So with this, you can get into some meme coins. For example, if you want to get into Fart Coin, which also has some AI tech behind it, but this is a set and forget, you might lose this $250, right? Or maybe a project comes along that you really like on Solana, an AI agent, or maybe you want to get into this deep book on Sui, for example, which I believe is going to be very good. Yes, I said deep book. That's what I mean. I don't mean deep seek. Maybe you want to take some risk on Hey Anon, for example, and so on. So basically, you're structuring your portfolio so you can get the best possible chance, because right now it's like building from the beginning again. You have the chance to build a crypto portfolio for 2025, depending on when you're watching this video. Maybe it's February, maybe it's March. You have a chance to actually build a good, solid crypto portfolio. Then you're going to keep in mind, we're probably going to have a dump around summer, maybe around end of April or May, and then we'll probably come back and make a comeback around September, October. Things should go up again, and if we go by the 4-year cycle, you're looking for a top in Bitcoin. Maybe altcoins will completely, run a little bit more, but you're looking to take profits, and you're looking to take profits from altcoins into Bitcoin. If it's anywhere in 2024, that should protect you, but also keep you exposed to crypto. So if you keep on going up, you still have that Bitcoin, but also be able so you can take profits from Bitcoin into USDT, whatever that amount is. I like holding my Bitcoin forever, but I do take some profits and so on. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, please ask in the description down below. Please ask in the comment section down below. Tell me what doesn't make sense, and I'll try and explain this better for you. By the way, if you were in my group, the VIP Factor, you would have got a lot of plays and you would have took profits at mostly the right time. You'd be okay right now. So go ahead, check out the VIP Factor down below. There's a link, hit it, read about it, see if it's for you. I also have other services down there that you could check out and just see if something's for you. That's all I ask, and yeah, let's get back to the video. Now, you might say, Paul,
oh my God, you didn't mention XRP. Oh my God, you didn't mention ADA. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Look, this is a base portfolio. I'm giving you an example of a portfolio. Obviously, XRP is also a US-based cryptocurrency. I don't think it's gonna perform as well as people think. I think the top will be $4 to $7, maybe 10, but that's a stretch. I think these coins have more to run. run or have more sustainable power so you can be able to take profits, at least when it comes to our blue chips. I do think SUI is a better position than XRP right now. Oh my God, you're so wrong, you're so wrong. I do not care. This is my view. This is what I'm doing. This is what I suggest. If you listen to me when it came to XRP, because I know people are going to be in the comment section right now.
Well, you just missed an 8x.
No, I didn't. I was telling people to stay out of XRP before the SEC situation. Anybody that stayed in missed an entire bull market and most of this one. And I was saying in the same videos to get in once it breaks 72 cents and to take profits at the previous highs. So I actually made more money than you in XRP. Now people are going to be commenting down below.
Well, you missed it.
No, I didn't. I did not miss an entire bull market like you did. Why am I saying this in this video? Why am I digressing here? Because I know the XRP army will start saying shit like this and I'm sick and tired of it. I can explain things to you, but I can't understand them for you, okay? So those are my views. And if you want to know what I think for meme coins or the narratives that are coming for this bull market as well for 2025, because things have changed. Meme coins have changed. There are some new meme coins coming, new fundamentals. I know that sounds weird. I know that sounds crazy, but make sure you watch this video here so you can understand that, because you don't want to miss them. Seriously, you really don't want to miss them. Make sure you watch this video and I will see you in the next one.